Today we are just going to talk about parallelograms. So if you look at your graphic organizer, there's 3 different types of quadrilaterals. We have parallelograms, kites, and trapezoids. Okay. Today we're only going to talk about parallelograms, and then tomorrow you will learn all the different types of parallelograms, and then you'll have a quiz over all of that on Friday. All right, I'm handing out a sheet. This will be your notes for class today, and you can just follow. Don't skip ahead. Just follow along up here as we do examples. And some of the problems you're going to work in your groups. So everybody got this down? Mm-hmm. Okay, any questions over that? Okay. All right, so what I want you to do now is I want you to look at the materials on your table. And everybody should have 3 different types of parallelograms, okay? And you should have a protractor and a ruler and a chart. And what I want you to do is I want you to work together in your groups and measure each angle of the parallelograms and record it in your chart. So if you look on your chart, pink, orange, and green, you're going to measure all the angles for each one, record it, and then at the end of the chart, there's a couple different things I ask you to do. You're going to take the sum of angles 1 and 2 and the sum of 3 and 4, and you just record that in. And we'll talk about it in a few minutes, okay? And you're also going to measure the lengths of the top and bottom and the left and right. Yes?
Can we write on this?
Yes, you can.
Can we write on
Everybody write on...
these?
No. Do write on these, on the parallelograms, just write on your chart. Okay? And it kind of pass it around and let everybody do a couple.
Because I already have. Is it 17 on the stone? I already have, and then that's what
Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this. If you will look up here. Good job, everybody. That looks good. Okay, as you were working and measuring your angles and your side lengths, and looking at our chart, what do we notice? Let's go ahead and talk about the pink one. What do we notice about all of our measurements here? Does anybody have conclusions that they can observe from this?
2 of everything.
There's what?
2 of everything.
There is. Well, 2 of, what do you mean?
280, 200.
Okay, good. So we've got 2 80s, all right? So which angles do these numbers represent?
The opposite.
Let me borrow yours real quick, the pink one. Okay, thanks. All right, so if we've got angle 1 up here is 80 degrees, down here at the bottom, angle 4 is 80. All right, from what you've learned previously about angle relationships, what type of angles are these 2?
Opposite.
Opposite, good. Okay, so we also have angles 2 and 3 are opposite angles, right? So let's look at those measures. Are they the same? Okay, so now let's go ahead and look and see if for the green one and the orange one, if we have the same results. We're going to look at angles 1 and 4. Thank you. Okay, are those the same?
Yes.
50 degrees, all right. And then we've got 2 and 3 is 130. All right, so is it to say that this is probably true, that in a parallelogram, our, what type of angles? Opposite angles are congruent or equal, okay? And then for our orange one, we'll double check that one quick. We've got 1 and 4 are degrees, and then we've got 2 and 3 are 140, okay? So if you want to, on your graphic organizer, go ahead and write in the parallelogram, in the little parallelogram section, go ahead and write opposite angles are congruent.